Hi, we're Model Aeroplanes. And I'm Rory.
I'm Ben.
I'm Grant.
I'm Kieran.
You love to calm down. So much regret sticking in your teeth and you're too proud to pick it out. If I'm what you need when you're sober, oh, you got so lost, you got so lost. Let's face it, we're wasted, nowhere else to go. Down with me, club low, down with me, club low. And now that we're so sick of being alone, come with me, club low, down with me, club low. When you're down and out, honestly, and every time that you come around, the waste of youth is all I see. If I'm what you need when you're sober, oh,
you could do them collectively. Could we wear the hat?
No,
yeah,
let's go. Wait.
It's possible to follow.
All of us not having a Valentine's.
Most of us in the Valentine's Day story.
Uh,
I think I got my mum to make my girlfriend at the time a meal.
Your mum's your girlfriend?
No, it's mum's my girlfriend.
I don't know, we've not really got many. I mean,
I've done embarrassing shit. Like, I bought let's say a fucking teddy bear at one point, I'm sure.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it was proper shit as well. It was out at a card shop and it was like stinking. It was absolute
Oh, I
shit.
think when I was in
I've never had a
primary school, I
girlfriend.
bought Argos jewellery for someone. Yeah, that was bad. That
Fucking-
That's terrible, mate.
Yeah.
You know. I would pure Jake you if you bought me that.
Did you get an invitation to the Jeremy Kyle show? Is that what that
What's your guilty pleasure?
Taylor Swift. We fucking love Taylor.
Because again,
yes. So I'm swearing again.
I was going to say,
Oh yeah, we don't
casting couch could be the answer to that as well.
No, in all seriousness, Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift is good.
Nothing guilty about Taylor Swift.
Yeah, I like Take That's
That's
new
good.
song.
Yeah,
that's
These days that's good. Like,
yeah, it's proper good.
I think another guilty pleasure is we sometimes give each other massages on the shoulders.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's nice.
Grant did it to me earlier, but he's got like hands like knives.
Big hands,
Big dreams.
big dreams, big streets.
So
Let me turn them on.
Probably Mika.
Yeah, he's an amazing songwriter.
He's not guilty pleasure, he's just awesome.
Yeah,
He's,
amazing songwriter.
and he can be brown, he can be blue.
He could be something.
This guy.
Multicultural guy.
He can be anything you like.
Yeah. So can I.
At the sort and that. Hufflepuff. Okay, it's just what you need.
Snog, marry, avoid. Katy Perry, Jennifer Lawrence, Taylor Swift.
Oh God, all of them, for all of them.
That's it.
Marry Taylor Swift.
Avoid Katy Perry.
No. It's not Katy Perry. Avoid. You get
Okay.
slagged up
Yeah.
because everyone's seen your bird.
Avoid Jennifer Lawrence because it's a bit awkward.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
But also the thing is, there'll be words on it.
That looks juicy.
Favourite track of the year so far?
It's weird, because there's not been really many releases so far, has there? 15.
The only song I can actually think of that I think's been released this year that I think's alright is that new Years and Years one. That's generally the only thing I can think of from this. King. Even though it's released yet, but it's been getting played.
She's a Witch by Genga.
Yeah,
Genga.
it's amazing.
That's I think that was last month.
Politics, we need to watch what we're saying.
Best gig you've been to, bro.
You've been to a rough.
Is it? We don't get to many gigs.
No.
You know, I thought Kasabian at Cairnhall was really good.
What about during Stag and Dagger we went to see
Fat Whites.
Fat White Family.
Fat White Family, yeah. There's this girl band we know called The Peaches, and we all ended up going and getting absolutely slaughtered and going to see Fat White Family. It was a total mind F. But it was
And then Royal Blood were on after as well. So
Yeah, a really small venue. And it was like probably the last time you could probably like see them play a wee room. But it was great.
Foes, we've been to see them a couple of times.
Yeah.
Both those times
Too
were like
many
really.
times now.
Yeah.
A box order. What's the next one?
What's the craziest thing you've done on tour? like ever.
Like very
Well, there's stuff, but we don't want to say it on camera.
And how's touring with Price been? Wrapped up nicely, eh?
Yeah. Really sexy.
Sexy.
Yeah.
Hairy and sexy.
The men and, you know, V-cut tops, hairy chests.
Very
They've
sexy.
got good dance moves as
Oh,
well.
Yeah.
the
Last
foot
night.
stomping, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's been really fun. We've been
It's been a great opportunity.
with an act called Remy Miles as well, who's really cool.
Yeah.
And
It's been like good lineup, like
yeah, it's been a lot of fun.
yeah, they're good lads.
We're Model Aeroplanes,
and
subscribe.
I was like at school. Good morning, Mrs. Bennett.